All right, so if a patent already exists, can you come up with a new method or way of using that product and have that be protected with a patent? Hi, I'm JD Houvener, founder and patent attorney at Bold Patents Law Firm, and also the author of Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. I've been helping inventors for over 10 years, acquire nearly 500 patents as of today. So please do click that link below. We're giving it away. It's our Inventor Kit. It's a full copy of my book, as well as some guides for patent searching and application drafting. So this question is really cool because the answer is yes. Yes, you can get a patent on a new, novel, and non-obvious way of using an existing product, even if that product is protected by a patent. So let me break this down a little bit. What you're getting is a way of using it, a new method of the device. So certainly you cannot get a patent on something that's already patented. So the device, the system itself, that you cannot get a patent on, unless you've come up with a new improvement or variation of the system or the device, of course. But the question here was about a method. You were able to use that device in a new process or a new method that's never been done before, novel, and here's the catch, is not an obvious way to use it, given the knowledge of the industry, the state of the art. So that will probably be the more tricky example, or tricky criterion. So the example in one of those questions that came up to our Reddit channel was if it's a fan, a simple product like a fan. If you have come up with a new method of using a fan, who knows, let's say for something really out there, like herding goat up at high altitudes, maybe a fan in a certain method will provide a hypersonic sound that only these types of animals will hear and will come to, let's say, the feed area, or will be able to move toward a certain direction, either away or toward the fan. That would be a novel method, and by following a series of steps, if you can define clearly what those steps are, that is patent eligible. And now you've got to go to conduct some research to see if anyone's ever used an electronic or solar powered fan like this to herd this animal or any animals like it. That might make it non-obvious or an obvious solution. You've also got to clear the hurdle of novelty, of course, and making sure that step, so the method that you've got there has never been done before in that way. And the answer is yes, you could get a patent on this method of using that same exact fan, of course, not for cooling yourself, which is the traditional sense, but for herding animals. Okay, I'm coming up with a really way wild example here. Hopefully that helps illustrate that, yes, it's possible. The other side of the coin is, well, it may be patentable. Do you really want to proceed with that is maybe the bigger question. Because you always want to ask yourself, even if I did get a patent on this new thing or new process or method, could I really put it to use in the market and exclude others from making, using, or selling it? And that will require you to detect infringement. So if you're going to have trouble detecting infringement, that would be a problem too. So think through that a bit, and we'll explore more in the next video. Thanks for joining, everybody. I'm JD Houvener with Bold Patents Law Firm. Go big, go bold.